Okay, good morning, students, and a very happy new year to everybody. This is the same passage that you had got in your December exams, but the others are different. But we'll discuss the answers also here too. Okay. Um, so the first question is, on the basis of your understanding of the above passage, answer the following. Father's question to the narrator about knowing how to cook rice was intended to encourage the narrator to take up cooking. C. C. Okay. Next, I switched from news to YouTube. Pick the option in which the meaning of switched is not the same as it is in the passage. हाँ जी बताओ. No, 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 not you. The students who are attending class online. Respond. बोलो. I switched from news to YouTube. कौन सा option आए? A. Yes, yes. Option A. He switched on the radio to listen to the news while having dinner. Okay. Then third question is based on your understanding of the passage, choose the option that lists the correct sequence of the process. हाँ जी बोलो sequence बताओ. बोलो. Speak up. Yes. C. 4153. Yes, it is 41532. Put rice in a utensil, and then it is use water to wash the rice. नहीं, प्लस टू है. ठीक है. यूज वाटर टू वॉश द राइस. 415. Then it is swirl the water in and around the rice. Then drain the water off and then repeat the process 3 times. Okay. ये questions आपको वहां पे भी आए थे आपके दिसंबर एग्जाम में. The narrator says that he has dexterous hands. He would have had a problem had it been the opposite. Not being dexterous means being what? Being, speak up, students, online students. Being clumsy. आपके साथ तो डिस्कस हो चुके हैं. You were not there. I discussed the questions with them. Yes, clumsy. Which option represents the correct ratio of water to rice for cooking perfect rice? Which is the image? Image A. Image one, and the option is A. Okay. Next is how did mother react to the burning smell? How did she react? Bolo. Yes, see, she inquired about it. See, according to the passage, the fact that the narrator risked experimentation on his maiden attempt in the kitchen shows that he was seventh question. Option no. Option C, presumptuous. What do you understand by presumptuous? Anyone? What is presumptuous? When he risked experimentation on his first attempt in the kitchen, what does it show? It shows that he was presumptuous. What do you understand by it? Present मतलब पता है आपको presumptuous का? Yes, he presumed that he knew how to, that he would be able to cook it. Okay, so this is the right option, option C. You're right, Harshdeep. Next is pick the option showing the correct use of the word chutzpah. Bolo, bolo, bolo. No, it is not C. Option is B. The speaker may not have much of a stage presence, but you've got to admit that she's got chutzpah. Next, pick the option that correctly states what did not happen after the writer checked on the rice. What did not happen? Ninth. Where are you lost? Yes, smelling the delicious aroma of cooked rice. This did not happen because no delicious aroma was coming out of it. Next, the narrator's creation was 10th. Almost perfect to taste. Option A. Next is pick the option that correctly lists the final feelings of the writer with reference to the cooking experience. What were his final feelings? 3 and 6. Satisfying and enlightening. So 3 and 6 is option C. ठीक है. अब B पे आ जाओ. I'm going to read it out because this is not the same passage that you had got in your exam. Okay, I'm going to read it out, this paragraph for you, this passage, and then we'll discuss. Okay, America has a highly developed healthcare system which is available to all people. Although it can be very complex and frustrating at times, it has come a long way from the healthcare organizations of yesterday. Previously, most healthcare facilities were a place where the sick were housed and cared for until death. Physicians rarely practiced in hospitals, and only those who were fortunate could afford proper care at home or in private clinics. Today, the level of healthcare has excelled tremendously. Presently, the goal of the healthcare is to have a continuum of care for the patient, one which is integrated at all levels. Many hospitals offer a referral service or discharge plan to patients who are being discharged. Plans for the patient are discussed with a discharge planner. A discharge planner is a person who is trained in assessing what the patient's requirements for healthcare will be after discharge from the hospital. This enables the patients to continue their care at a level which is most appropriate for them. Items reviewed for discharge planning include, but are not limited to, therapies, medication needs, living arrangements, and identification of specific goals. A few of the options that are available for persons being discharged from an acute care hospital can include home health care, assisted living facilities, long term care, or hospice. According to Growing Old in America, 1996, home healthcare is one of the fastest growing segments of the healthcare industry. Alternatives for home care can meet both the medical and non medical needs of the patient. These services are provided to patients and their families in their home or place of residence. Home care is a method of delivering nursing care and other therapies as required by the patient's needs. Numerous alternatives are available for persons seeking health care at home. With transportable technologies such as durable medical equipment, oxygen supply, and intravenous fluids, there are countless possibilities for treatment within the home setting. As stated in the continuum of long term care, home health program range from formal organizations providing skilled nursing care to relatively informal networks that arrange to housekeeping for friends. This has allowed for home care to quickly become an essential component of the healthcare delivery system in the US. In a home healthcare situation, the primary caregiver is usually not the physician. The physician is communicated with by phone and with documentation from the caregivers. The primary caregivers are usually the nurses and other team members who are involved directly with the patient's care. But the original order to begin home care must be initiated by the physician if skilled care is to be obtained. According to the 1995 Guide to Health Insurance for People with Medicare, Medicare pays the full cost of medically necessary home health visits by a Medicare approved home health agency. This coverage must meet specific criteria, but it can be a relief to family members to know that their loved ones can be taken care of at home without worrying about the expenses. Unfortunately, if the care to be given within the home is termed not medically necessary, the expense is not covered. This can include items such as meal and medication delivery, a percentage of necessary durable medical equipment, personal care, and homemaker services. Healthcare services that are not included can become quite numerous. It is often difficult for family members to understand why specific services are not covered, especially when they appear to be necessary for the care of the patient. These costs can add up quickly, and the impact of the cost can become quite distressing for family members and patients on a limited budget. In these cases, a social worker is usually provided to help the patient and family explore other avenues which may enable them to cover their health care costs. Assisted living is an arrangement to residents of a facility that enables them to complete certain daily activities while remaining independent. The services provided enable the resident to achieve the maximum function of their activities of daily living. The services of unskilled and non specialized personnel provide the activities essential to the care of the resident. These services help assist the aged, blind, disabled, and other functionally limited individuals with necessary daily activities which they require help with or are unable to perform on their own. Examples of some of these services which may be available are light housekeeping, meal preparation, medication reminders, and personal care. The personal care does not include specific health oriented services which would require the services of a certified or licensed professional. It is stated well in aging. Although the level of services provided may vary, assisted living communities all to share a common goal, enabling people to live an active and independent life as possible. So, on the basis of this understanding of the passage, answer each of the questions that follow with the help of the options that follow. By saying that it has come a long way from the healthcare organizations of yesterday. What does the writer imply? Bolo? Speak up, online students. Right. Bolo? What does the writer imply? Yes, option is fourth. Healthcare services in America have shown a lot of improvement over the years. Okay? The main duty of the discharge planner. What is the main duty of discharge planner? It is to, yes, speak up. Main duty of the discharge planner. You should have done it by now. Yes, option is first. Assess the requirements of the patients after discharge from the hospital. Yes, it is first. See, D2 section students, please put in your group that class is already going on. I cannot let the students enter. जब मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रही हूँ मैं नहीं एंट्री दे सकती अब मैं नहीं एडमिट कर सकती देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू एंटर द क्लास नाउ बट दे आर लेट home health care has become possible because of what? Home health care has become possible because of it is not B, it is number one. Technology that can be transported from the hospital. So option is one. Okay, technology that can be transported from the hospital. It is only because of this that home healthcare has become possible. Home care for the patient cannot be started unless permitted by, yes, treating doctor, not the hospital authorities, but the doctor who is treating. Okay, for the patient passage पढ़ोगे बेटा आप. You will read the passage. You will read the passage first. Okay, you have to read the passage. You have to understand what is being said in the passage, and then you can answer. This is not just a question of your GK. The patient cannot be started unless permitted by the treating doctor. Okay. Next, pick out a word from the passage which means the same as the following: annoying, upsetting. Paragraph one में देखो, which is the word? I'm opening paragraph one for you people. You tell me which is the word which means annoying, frustrating. बताओ. बोलो. Speak up. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स आप इतने पैसिवली क्यों बैठे हुए हो बेटा ये जितने ऑफलाइन बच्चे सब आंसर दे रहे हैं बोलो जल्दी yes it is frustrating okay frustrating okay next is workforce paragraph 6 the last para which is the word which is the synonym of workforce बोलो workforce का synonym बताओ paragraph 6 workforce yes it is personal okay got it so let's discuss the C part now. Now this is a graph that is given to you, number of animals and then goat population. Okay, on the basis of this, you have to use the information given in the graph and you have to answer the questions that follow. What does the above given graph indicate about the population of goats in the year 2012 as compared to 2007? बताओ 2012 और 2007 को जब आप कंपेयर करते हो तो आपको क्या पता चलता है अबाउट गोट पॉपुलेशन जल्दी बताओ हरी अप ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स यू आर वेरी स्लो इन रिस्पॉन्डिंग बोलो बोलो बताओ yes it is B comparative decline in population. So population, yes, B for Bombay. B for Bombay, bache, we've discussed it. B. Next, what could be the reason? What could be the reason for a decline in the goat population from 2007 to 2012? You have to give reasons. Increase in the number of non-veg consumption, yes. Increase in the number of demand for non-veg, for meat, because of increase in the population. Okay, because of increase in the population. Then what could be the other reasons? थोड़ा सा ऊंची बोलो. Disease, he says disease, or spread of a communicable disease. Okay, spread of a communicable disease, which could be viral disease, which could be bacterial disease in the goats. What else? What else could be the reason? We have discussed two reasons. One might be increase in the demand for non-veg food for meat because of the increase in population of humans. Then is spread of a communicable disease, which could be either bacterial or viral in the goats. There can be another reason also. Can you think of any other reason? Okay, increases the population of predators also. What else? Decrease in care. What else? Online students. Please give any reason. बोलो. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. You can also say okay, and but you can also say the changing pattern of food consumption because of there is more demand for protein-rich food. Okay, more demand for in favor of protein-rich food. Okay, so any reason you can give. Can you calculate the percentage of decrease? Can you calculate the percentage of decrease? कर सकते हो आप? हाँ नहीं कर सकते बेटा because see if you're saying see विश्वजीत is saying अगर calculate हम कर सकते तो हमने non medical लिया होता. I'm telling you such kind of questions they are going to be a part of your interpretation of graphical interpretation, pie chart. They're going to be a part of your final exams also because ये आपका CCT pattern पे आपको आएगा क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, अनसीन पैसेज में ग्राफिकल ग्राफ से इंटरप्रिटेशन और या पाई चार्ट आएगा उससे इंटरप्रिटेशन ये आपको करना आएगा. तो जरा सोचो कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे. हाउ वुड यू कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज ऑफ डिक्रीज? See, Ankit from C2 section is going to tell you how to calculate. थोड़ा सा ऊंची बोलो. थ्री पॉइंट नाइन समथिंग आता है. दैट मीन्स 4% डिक्रीज है. ठीक है, तो ये आप आपको ये चीजें करनी ग्राफिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन करना आना चाहिए. ठीक है, अब ये है डिस्क्रिप्टिव. नो, पहले आपका थर्ड क्वेश्चन गया. डिक्लाइन ऑफ गोट पॉपुलेशन रिजल्टेड इन द शॉर्टेज ऑफ गोट मीट व्हिच इन टर्न कैन इम्पैक्ट व्हाट? A, nutritional requirements. Yes, it is nutritional requirements of the country's population. ठीक है, और then you have write a descriptive paragraph by reading the graph given on goat population 1992 to 2012. जो भी एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है बेटा आपने. हाँ, पहले कम थी फिर ज्यादा हुई फिर आपको रीजंस भी पता है. यू नो द रीजंस आल्सो व्हाई द गोट पॉपुलेशन इज वो सारा आपने. हाँ, a kind of a paragraph. It is not mentioned, so if it is for 3 marks, so at least 100-120 words. इतना तो लिखोगे ही आप. Okay, 3-4 marks का तो होगा ही ना. ठीक है. Next is write a letter to the director of the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, expressing your concern about the decline in goat population and its effects on the nutritional requirements of human population. ठीक है, ये तो आप कर सकते हो. Because one of the students of my class had asked me, मैम ये question relevant है, तो ये क्यों नहीं relevant है? एक letter है और एक descriptive paragraph है. So they are very much relevant to English. ठीक है, because he had asked me, मैम ये English से relevant है, तो अगर English से relevant नहीं है, तो और किससे हैं फिर? ठीक है ना? So you have to write a paragraph on your own and just interpret the graph and write a paragraph and then you have to write a letter. Okay, and complete this work and you have to submit it by Thursday. I'd put it in your group also, classroom. ठीक है.